Welcome, in front of me is a SHARP D10, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up settings right here and then scroll down to other settings and choose backup, and at the bottom you should find factory data reset selected. You will have a message that will basically remove everything from the device, including accounts, apps, music downloads, photos, and basically anything that you have put on the device. So once you're satisfied with this, you can just tap on reset phone, and if you have some kind of pattern, you will need to confirm it. So I do. Now if you don't have any pattern, it will just proceed to this screen right here, where all you need to do now is just press erase everything and let the device perform the process. So once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, and I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and all you need to do now is just set up your device as however you like. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.